In this video, we will see how to calculate profit margin in Excel. So what is profit margin? Profit margin is profit ratio to sales or revenue. Let's take a simple example. Let's say you sold a product for 100 rupees and the cost price to you was 30. So to calculate profit margin, equal to select sales minus cost price divided by sales. Add round bracket for subtraction because we want Excel to do subtraction first, then divide it by the sales. If you don't add round bracket, the division will happen first. So make sure you add round brackets. Press enter. 70% is the profit margin. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.